It seems even the Austin-based Tesla can't escape the latest challenges in the EV market. Despite years of rapid growth and dominance in EV technology and sales, the tides are turning. With plummeting deliveries, relentless price cuts, supply chain and manufacturing woes, waning demand, and intense competition from China's BYD, Tesla is bracing for what could be its most significant crisis yet. Here's a deep dive into the 5 critical issues that could jeopardize Tesla's future. Number 1. Deliveries have slid sharply. Tesla's once unstoppable growth engine is showing signs of strain. For the first time in years, the number of vehicles Tesla delivers to customers has dropped significantly. The sharp decline in deliveries marks a dramatic shift from the steady upward trajectory that had previously characterized Tesla's rise to dominance in the EV market. The decrease in deliveries can be attributed to several factors, each compounding the other to create a challenging environment for the automaker. One of the primary reasons for the drop in deliveries is the ongoing production bottlenecks. Tesla's gigafactories, which were supposed to ramp up production to meet soaring demand, have instead faced numerous setbacks. The global semiconductor shortage has hit Tesla hard, leading to delays and disruptions in the production schedule. Additionally, logistical issues, including the recent arson attack at the German gigafactory, have further hindered production capabilities. Moreover, Tesla's ambitious expansion plans have not gone as smoothly as anticipated. New gigafactories in key markets like India are still in the planning stages, and existing facilities are struggling to keep up with the demand. These production challenges have led to a backlog of orders, frustrating customers and affecting Tesla's ability to deliver vehicles on time. The impact of these delivery issues is significant. Not only do they directly affect Tesla's revenue, but they also undermine customer confidence. Tesla's reputation has been built on innovation and reliability, but consistent delays and delivery shortfalls could erode the trust that customers and investors have placed in the company. This is particularly concerning as Tesla faces increased competition in the EV market, where timely delivery and customer satisfaction are crucial. Additionally, the decline in deliveries is further exacerbated by the economic landscape. With rising inflation and economic uncertainties, consumers are more cautious about making significant purchases, including electric vehicles. This hesitation is reflected in the lower than expected demand for Tesla's cars, contributing to the overall decline in deliveries. As Tesla grapples with these delivery challenges, the company has had to resort to repeated price cuts to stimulate demand and clear out inventory. However, this strategy, while potentially effective in the short term, poses its own set of problems, including eroding profit margins and signaling deeper issues within the company. Number 2. Repeated price cuts. In an effort to stimulate demand and remain competitive, Tesla has implemented a series of price cuts across its vehicle lineup. These repeated price reductions reflect the challenges Tesla faces in balancing supply and demand, revealing a complex and multifaceted struggle within the company. Over the past year, Tesla has aggressively slashed prices on several of its most popular models, including the Model 3 and the Model Y. This strategy aims to attract a broader customer base, particularly cost-conscious consumers who might otherwise opt for more affordable alternatives. By reducing prices, Tesla hopes to make its vehicles more accessible and appealing to a wider audience. However, this approach has significant implications. One of the immediate effects of these price cuts is the erosion of Tesla's profit margins. Historically, Tesla has been able to command higher prices for its vehicles thanks to its brand prestige and the advanced technology embedded in its cars. These premium prices have contributed significantly to Tesla's profitability, making it one of the most valuable car companies in the world. However, as price drops, so do the profit margins. The reduced profitability raises concerns about Tesla's financial health and its ability to sustain long-term growth. However, the continuous need to lower prices suggests deeper issues with demand. Despite Tesla's reputation for innovation and quality, the market dynamics are shifting. The initial surge of early adopters is tapered off, and the broader market has been slower to embrace electric vehicles than Tesla had anticipated. Economic uncertainties, rising inflation, and changing consumer preferences are all contributing to weaker demand. These factors force Tesla to rely on price cuts as a primary tool to drive sales, which is not a sustainable strategy in the long run. The price reductions have also sparked a price war within the EV market. Other manufacturers eager to maintain their market share have followed Tesla's lead, further driving down prices across the industry. This intense competition puts additional pressure on Tesla to continue lowering prices, creating a vicious cycle that can be difficult to break. As competitors match and sometimes undercut Tesla's prices, the overall profitability of the EV sector is threatened. Additionally, the effectiveness of these price cuts in driving long-term growth remains uncertain. While lower prices may boost sales temporarily, they do not address the underlying challenges Tesla faces. The company's struggles with supply chain disruptions and manufacturing inefficiencies persist, complicating its ability to meet demand even when it increases. The global semiconductor shortage, for instance, continues to hamper production, leading to delays and reduced output. The supply chain issues are compounded by logistical challenges, such as the recent arson attack at Tesla's Gigafactory in Germany. Number 3. Supply chain and manufacturing struggles. Tesla's supply chain and manufacturing processes have encountered significant hurdles, contributing to the company's broader challenges. From component shortages to logistical disruptions, Tesla's ability to produce vehicles efficiently has been compromised. The global semiconductor shortage has particularly impacted Tesla, causing delays and increasing production costs. Additionally, the company has faced manufacturing issues at its gigafactories, including a recent arson attack at the German factory and ongoing difficulties in scaling production to meet demand. These supply chain and manufacturing struggles have not only slowed down production, but also affected the quality and reliability of Tesla's vehicles, leading to recalls and further complicating the company's operational landscape. These issues are exacerbated by weaker than expected demand, making it even more difficult for Tesla to navigate the current market environment. Number 4. Weaker than expected demand. Contrary to the high expectations set by its past performance, Tesla is currently experiencing weaker than anticipated demand for its vehicles. Several factors contribute to this decline, including economic uncertainties, changing consumer preferences, and increased competition in the EV market. The initial surge of early adopters has dwindled, and the broader market has been slower to embrace electric vehicles than Tesla had projected. Additionally, the postponement of new model launches, such as the cancellation of the Model 2, has dampened consumer excitement and interest. This weaker demand poses a significant challenge for Tesla as it seeks to sustain its growth and justify its high valuation in the eyes of investors. The competition in China, particularly from companies like BYD, further underscores the difficulties Tesla faces in maintaining its market share and driving demand. Number 5. China competition, BYD. Tesla's competition in China, particularly from domestic manufacturers like BYD, has intensified, creating significant challenges for the company. BYD, a major player in the Chinese EV market, has managed to outpace Tesla by offering a diverse and competitively priced product lineup. BYD now holds a commanding 33% share of the Chinese EV market, compared to Tesla's 10%. The rise of BYD has been fueled by substantial investments in EV technology and aggressive pricing strategies, creating a formidable challenge for Tesla. The competitive pressure from BYD and other local manufacturers has forced Tesla to reevaluate its approach in China, which remains one of its most critical markets. This competitive dynamic in China highlights the broader issues Tesla faces globally, linking back to its struggles in deliveries, price cuts, supply chain issues, and weaker than expected demand. Together, these challenges paint a comprehensive picture of the hurdles Tesla must overcome to maintain its leadership in the EV market. And that will be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.